When a tooth is removed, there is a membrane surrounding the root that usually stays attached to the bone. This is called the periodontal ligament or periodontal membrane. It is a structure that shares fibers from the tooth with fibers from the bone that unite to form a hammock in which the tooth is suspended. Its purpose is to act as a shock absorber with a small amount of give to it so the tooth-to-tooth contact during chewing is not such a jolting experience. It also separates tooth from bone, making tooth removal possible. This hammock, or periodontal ligament, if left intact after a tooth is removed, communicates to the surrounding bone that the tooth is still there. This lack of communication of trauma prevents proper bone stimulation of the healing in the socket area. A dentist will rarely remove the ligament during tooth extraction because this is not commonly taught in dental schools. Were the periodontal ligament removed with the tooth, then exposed bone cells from one side of the remaining socket would grow to meet growing bone cells from the other side, and healing would be complete. If the periodontal ligament is left in place, a cap of bone only 1 to 3 millimeters thick will form over the top of the socket. This thin bony cap leaves a hole about the size of the root underneath the bone. Occasionally, this space fills with a gel-like substance, but for the most part, it is just a space full of air. The lining of this cavitation sometimes contains the chronic inflammatory cells contributing to autoimmune diseases. Indeed, occasionally, dramatic health improvements have been noted immediately after cleaning out a cavitation. If the membrane, together with the unwelcome cells, is removed, then bone consents bone and proper healing can occur, thus eliminating a source of pathology to the body.